Uno sucede.
Did that quit her job at night?
No, she's still home. Like I'm saying, bro. I usually teach them classes. Everything was in here to say. I know you are better than this. Yeah. Wow! This girl really, alright. You know what? You're fired.
You're fired. Oh, by the way, you got to my job and I wasn't fired. My boss was fired. She was fired.
I don't know. They're going to give me another thing. Quiet and be like, yeah, no, I'm here. I know
But
this.
it's like, it comes out as like
Nah.
like you're out of it.
Well, so be it. Until you get it, that is yours. Yeah? Don't act like you want something. So why don't you ask? No, it's not desperate. Not desperate. You're not going to have to start knocking the door. Hello.
Hello?
Some people have words, you know. Hello. There's a good privilege, all right? And that's what this is. There's no pride inside. Because some other girls that have more tough things to deal with, you know. You know, yeah. We got a simple month. Okay, so be happy. No, be happy and ask your shit. Yeah. Don't be like, oh, just ask for it. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna find out. Don't worry. So who cares? Yeah, the money will compensate for anything. Anyway, right? The worst thing is that someone more incompetent is going to get that job and then you're going to do so. And then you're never going to get the opportunity to get to that position no more because you think now is the time. Now is the time. The stars are lined up for you. Yeah. They actually probably just waiting for you to make a move. There you go. There you go. You don't have to. Well, just. I don't know what you have to do for that sacrifice, but only you can find out. And it's only for a year?
Yeah, it's everybody. Just you don't take over time.
Why don't you sacrifice for a year? Who cares? What's so bad for 1 year? You're already married. You're already married. You already have your house. You're already good. You don't have nothing to look for. So.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm really good. I don't want more stress. That's the only thing too. Like if I get a job like this.
Well, you young. The fuck. You acting like you're like a grandma.
Oh, it's true. It's true. I get stressed out. I have anxiety issues. I have insomnia.
And then you go home, and then you get bored.
Yeah.
And then you go home, you get bored. I want to go back to job. Yeah. Get out of here, man. Leave your age, man.
I wish.
The problem is probably that you have too much old people working next to you. Right? And they give you that old vibe. Yeah.
It's like heavy.
Yeah, they know.
You have to take hours to stay with them. Take hours to stay with them. Every day.
And they're going to talk about their fucking kids and shit. Like, don't give some fuck.
What is the kid? Like, oh my God.
I want to show you pictures of motherfuckers that you don't want to see and shit. All people's problems. I'm like,
You don't get it. Go in there. Oh my God. I don't have a bed wine like that. I don't have a bed wine. Not in here. YouTube, everybody's gonna be like, oh yeah.
Take 2 seconds and the music starts going to pop your head so big. Extra Kizomba. It's been non-stop. You're going to find your house that you want Drake's house. Boy, steady. Play with money. They got time. People with money don't have time. They're broke people. That's what they got. Every broke motherfucker I don't got one thing in common. Time.
I don't know what you did there.
Okay, so this one, the one though the fit is good, I'm gonna fix it, we'll get that here, right? But the next one is actually the opening, right? So when you do, for example, the one, right here. One, two, yeah, three, exactly. You know that, right? Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, step back. So you won't stop, you keep on walking back. 1, 2, 3, go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's do together. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, kick back. 4, kick back, 5. Yeah, like this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, just think about the kick back. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here, 5. Yeah? Finish right here, 5. Right? Finish right here.
Oh, I don't get it.
She's like, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's next?
I was like, stay like this, finish right here. Now you're gonna step, now turn. Step right here, because you gotta go back. Yeah, again. Finish, because all your weight is strong. Now step back. Step. No, keep the visual. This one you keep, because you gotta go back. Again. 5, 6, 7, step. You go. Exactly. So when you finish that movement, so right here, so you stand, continue, yeah.
It's not as easy for everybody.
Okay, I'm just gonna pass like this. Yeah, it's not hard. 5, 6, 7, go. 5. No, before. That's the before. 5, 6, 7, go. No, first go forward. No, we did 1. 5, 6, 7, go. Forward. Step. Stop. Yes. There you go. Stop. I'm back. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Forward. Step. Move that one. Move that again. 5, 6, 7. Go. Step. Wrong. Step. Now let's try it on the top. 5, 6, 7. Go. But there's not an award right there for a teacher that does more with their students in this world. There's not. Huh? There's not. Come on, give me an award. Make up an award. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. This right here. Making my college look like they do. Chocolate or some shit. Yeah, they really. Everybody love Raymond. Yeah. My nigga Raymond, go right it out. Oh, I got Die Hard. Yeah. That's all I need, though. That's all I need. Stretch. Now, don't lift the one that stay on the floor.
Okay.
This one don't go. Keep it on the floor because that's your only way of balance. Is if you stay really straight with the weight on the other side. Now lift your knee. Lift your knee. Now keep your foot. Now lift. Good, right? Now, put down. Stay on your toe. No, stay on your toe. On this one, stay on your toe. Yeah. Now lift your knee. No, stay on your toe like this. And lift your knee.
This one?
Yeah, this one, stay on your toe.
Okay.
The one that is on the floor, stay on your toe. Both of them, stay on your toe on both. Now lift your knee. No, don't put it down. On the thing, right here.
Okay.
Now lift your knee like this. Stay. Oh,
I can't.
Thank you. Yeah, that's why when you want to do
Okay.
that, because you're thinking that you're going to be taller if you lift your knee,
Yeah.
then you do the other one eye. That's
Yeah.
why you lose the balance.
I have
No,
to
you
leave
actually
it.
have to sit.
Mm.
So when you lift, you sit. Exactly. So that gives you a stability. Let's try. So 1, 2, 3, sit. Relax on that one a little bit more. 5, 6, 7 now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, sit. Yeah, sit. Like sitting is like, you know, you farting and then you keep on walking. And nobody know. You know, just stop it.
But everybody knows.
Stop it.
Everybody knows.
Nobody, the silent one, nobody knows. Nobody gonna detect that gun. All right. You let that
Those are sneaky.
Yeah, oh, those are the worst. But usually sugar generated. I mean, yeah, but big nine, yes, so that way exactly, even on the landing is much better right now, okay?
More stuff.
Yeah, more soft. We're gonna work on that one, and then we'll continue working on the cha-cha from the back, okay? So, and then when Gita comes, I don't wanna force too much, so that way we can also translate and start going to macaco. You know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is the Congress tickets this weekend. Will you go?
Oh, I will down too.
You're not even here?
Sorry, I lost something.
Yeah.
I lost one twist. One twist.
Something
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Something in my ears. So you have to be careful.
No. I knew about that, so I danced with her. I didn't do none of the shit. If the guy is if you want to dance salsa, hire a nigga. I go dance with you, and you don't have to dance with nobody. I don't like people anyway. Yeah. Some girls, if they see me, they're gonna try to come, alright?
Yeah. Well, obviously, everybody wanna dance with you.
Yeah, ask a lot. No, but it's just like, you know, you just tell them, no, I got this, you know, and I dance with my instructor. That's it.
Yeah.
So that way, we all can go to Balacongoso. You, me, Gita, Rick, all that, you know, we go as a group. So that way you can still have your dance.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about, right? No matter what you have to do, you're still involved. It's just that the person needs to be aware that there's no turning. And what we can work for you, we can do shines. Makes sense, right? We can do routine, shines, footwork, you know what I'm talking about. That way your love will never go because you can do other stuff. Yeah. See, no, I saw you smiling. It's good. That's what I'm here for, though.
Nicotone.
Let's go.
Yes,
My girl,
baby.
right?
All right.
What you got? You have another one?
This one.
Someone needs help. Yeah, just the two moves. And then we're gonna prepare the video after, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Je vais juste mettre mes pieds, ouais.
Yeah.
Avec des choses qui arrivent pour
All right.
J'espère. J'espère que ça va. Seul le temps va nous dire.
C'est 7 heures, non? 7 heures.
Quoi ça? Le cours de... Oh non, cours de groupe. Non, c'est
Ah, t'as pas de cours de groupe.
non.
Ouais, qu'est-ce que t'attendais? Tu t'as dit, t'attendais? Oui, un cours pour toi, de quoi?
Avec mon prof.
Ah, ok.
Comme toi.
Ah, t'es après moi?
J'espère.
Ok.
C'est ça que je vais m'expliquer.
S'il est encore en forme.
Non, c'est pas ça la fin.
Exactement.
Non, pourquoi tu fais ça?
No, we actually have a gig where we gotta do a choreography.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so much fun. I love choreography.
Yeah, we gotta do a choreography.
You guys don't have choreography for students?
Yeah, we have a new one.
When start?
We're gonna start the group practice real soon.
What level is this?
All levels.
All level?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to sign up.
Hey.
Yeah.
Mais, ok.
I love choreography.
Yes. We already have one.
C'est
Yeah.
ça.
Most of the students already are getting.
Because last time they were advanced and I couldn't join.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah. The big, the old
Ah,
big.
tu suis de haut thing.
Yeah.
No, I couldn't join. They were too advanced.
You decided that or?
No.
Who decided that?
My man.
I told you that?
Yeah, you told me they were advanced.
You right?
Yeah.
I don't remember though. You right?
You told me they were.
In case I
Yeah.
take it back.
Yeah, but me, I know myself. I would even throw you under the
Mais c'est pour ça que ça m'étonne.
Yeah.
Ça m'étonne.
I would throw you under the
Definitely.
You gotta tell that story properly.
Yes, c'est.
Let's go back to dancing,
Fait que c'est quoi les mouvements pour cette marche?
right? The two knees up,
The two knees up.
yeah, and the back one and cha-cha.
Ok, ça. On va commencer par un.
Yeah. Go on, Cindy. Oh,
Alors,
this is not bad at all.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Ok, donc, commençons avec la première affaire. Fait que ça va donner 5, 6, 7. On va commencer avec le pivot. Ça va faire 1, 2, 3, 4. encore. 5, 6, 7, go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chat.
Okay.
Yeah?
You sound right.
5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ooh,
Tac,
that's a
tac,
stick.
back,
Pull up with the stick. Yeah, yeah.
chat. Hein? 5, 6, 5, c'est moi qui dois rester focus en ce moment. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Donc, 1, 2, 3. Fait que le premier mouvement, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3. Yes. 4, 5, back, front, chat. Yes. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3, 4. Ouais. Puis vraiment, mets-toi ici pour que tu puisses rester. Ouais.
C'est l'équilibre.
Ouais, c'est ça. Mais vraiment, en déposant, comme tu t'assois dessus, c'est plus facile. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back, front, chat. Là, essaye de ne pas te regarder pendant que tu fais chat pour le faire comme il faut. Hein? Parce que back, front, mais c'est chat.
J'essaie de ne pas trop tourner à cause de mon vertige qui apprend en fait.
Ok. Fait on ne fait pas de spin. On
But
fait
that
ça
goes
ici.
like on
Là.
the stick either.
Back.
Like this?
It's supposed to.
Okay.
It's supposed to. Yeah? Fait que ce que je disais, oui, à partir du moment où tu descends, ici, tu fais un pas en arrière, un pas en avant, mais tu peux te mettre comme ça ici, c'est correct. Mais essaie, regarde, pas dans cette direction-là, tu veux quand même faire un genre de quelque chose de circulaire. Fait que tu fais et Mais parce que toi, en ce moment, tu es en train de faire ça. Which is diagonal. Fait que on vient ici, up, down, back, front, regarde-toi plus, chat, et voilà, c'est tout. On va faire ça sur un petit peu de...
Yeah, this one is too thin. Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah, I need a thicker, like,
What is too thin?
this thing.
Oh, this
Yeah.
Compared to these, yeah.
Huh? What?
These are a little bit bigger.
No. I'm talking about the stick, man. Yeah. Yeah. They don't like that. They don't like skinny shit. Gotta rock them walls. Get the one leg real fast.
Je sais pas qu'est-ce qui se passe. C'est quand même
I'm
facile.
talking about the thing.
Ouais.
Yeah, this is holding. Now it's
5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7,
downstairs? Oh, why don't he came up so I can give him a drink?
I told him, but he doesn't have where to park.
Okay, I'll bring him a drink downstairs. Wait.
He said traffic is nuts.
Yeah, I'll bring him a drink. So I'll go downstairs and then we'll go quick video, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
But for now, I just did this with this ta 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 and one cha cha. That's what I did so far. You want two cha chas?
No, the one from the back. Yeah, do two churches and then come back out. She know how to get out. Try it with her.
You want to do
Yeah, she know how to the move for the choreography. Just
this
just
one?
with the cha-cha, yeah, she know. Cha-cha-cha, no, cha-cha.
Oh, cha-cha, ok, excuse-moi, je me recommence. Excuse-moi, c'est moi, je suis vérifiée. Non, je sais pas, j'avais pas bien compris ce que je voulais faire. C'est pas, c'est une chose qui arrive. Oh, c'est bien. Non, il y avait un.
Yeah, she.
Oh, presque.
Yeah,
C'est
she's
quelque
good.
chose.
She's
Ok.
good with that.
Fait que là, on va regarder cette séquence-là qu'on vient de faire. Donc, ce que ça donnait, c'était 1, 2, 3, back, cha, encore back, cha. Ouais, fait qu'on fait juste cette partie-là. 5, 6, 7, ça donne donc 1, 2, 3, back, cha, back, cha.
Là, il y a trop de tours, je peux pas.
C'est quoi?
Je peux pas, là, il y a trop de tours.
Ah, il y a trop de tours.
Ouais.
Ok, c'est de cha-cha, de tout cha-cha.
C'est mieux
Même tourner pour revenir, c'est moi, je donne le dos.
She does everything. Yeah, she does. She just itchy right now. That's what she's saying.
It's too much for now.
Yeah.
Oui, j'ai exercé ma limite de dos.
Ouais.
No, she cannot turn too much.
She
Yeah.
cannot turn too much.
No, literally my doctor told me you can look at the card and just turn right and left for like 2 minutes maximum per day. That's it.
Ah, mais là, c'est ça, on l'a fait tourner comme une
No,
balle.
just for the dance. Wait, I gotta bring Ricky's
The
drink.
drink.
Okay.
Oh, ok.
But his
It's far?
It's far. It's far. Look at the traffic.
But you can see him from here?
No, it's SNC Lavalin on René Lévesque.
Okay, cool.
It's there. It's
Okay, you're gonna take his drink, yeah?
Non, c'est important.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I didn't know if my boy was here, man.
Yeah, I told him to come, but there's nowhere.
Yeah,
Look at the traffic. It's insane.
yeah, let's do the video game.
Yeah, it's insane. I see this green there. Okay,
You
let's
see him?
go. Yeah,
You see him?
yeah.
Where?
I think he's like in front of the big parking there. Mike's Priya.
Oh, it's on the other side of the street?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go give him his drink. Yeah.
He's gonna be like, oh my
Ah,
God.
c'est drôle. C'est drôle.
Yeah. So see, that one is cool. Yeah. Yeah. Look at my jacket.
Oh, c'est là. Oh, tu vas mettre celle-là? You want the red one?
No, just give me the blue. He's on the other side of the street, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. My boy.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'm coming with you anyways.
There you go.
Baby, man, cool, yeah. Two of them cool. Oh, hold on, yo, the video.
Huh?
The video.
Ouais, parce qu'il y a longtemps seulement.
Jesus.
Je pense pas que tu vas pouvoir partir comme ça.
C'est interdit, hein?
Non, je pense pas.
Ah,
Ça ne marche simplement pas.
interdit.
Moi, je sais pas où est-ce que tu avais l'intention d'aller comme
Je
ça.
pensais qu'il avait fini.
Non. C'est pour ça qu'il est en train de te montrer d'autres moves. Il est en train d'ajouter des moves.
Non, mais parce que j'ai fait l'assassin, ça m'a.
Ça t'a mangé comme si, hein?
Ouais.
Voilà, fait que c'est pour ça que je pense que c'est plus. Parce que les moves là, je pense que c'est des moves qui se fait quand on danse, ouais.
Ouais.
Mais je pense que c'est parce que là, t'as abusé un peu.
Oui, si j'ai abusé, oui, c'est ça qui arrive.
Ben, il y a un prix à payer.
Ouais, mon système il commence à déconnecter là.
Ah, ouais.
Tu vois qu'il rit avec la sécurité.
Yes. That's it.
On va regarder les tellement drôle.
Il a tout vérifié?
Mais là, toi, tu vas être en retard pour ton tour aussi.
C'est pas grave. Moi, je veux juste. C'est pas grave. Non, ça ne dérange pas. Si je peux avoir un peu de temps juste pour voir, mais en plus, là, comme il dit, il faut
Tu
travailler.
veux qu'on boucle pour la prochaine fois, comme ça tu veux.
De quoi? Non. Moi, ce que je fais, c'est quand il y a des espaces. Il y a un espace, ok, je me mets là. Si ça se passe, ça se passe. Si ça se passe pas,
Oh, ouais,
ça va pas. Tu vois ce que je veux dire? C'est pas grave. Mon jeu, faut que j'aille. Non.
Ouais, ok.
C'est ça, relax.
Mais après, vous avez des cours ou pas? Après.
Après, il y a un autre privé, c'est à l'âme.
Ok.
Est-ce que vous venez à Toronto ce dimanche?
Non, malheureusement, on est pris un peu avec le déménagement. On avait tant plein de boîtes. On a beaucoup de choses à faire. On est très occupés.
Il faut déconnecter un petit peu.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ce soir, on s'est dit, on va déconnecter.
Ah ouais!
On reprend demain encore. Le travail, il faut aller Rona, Home Depot.
Mais c'est pour des bonnes choses.
Ouais, c'est des bonnes choses, c'est des beaux projets. C'est juste que c'est tous les jours, c'est vraiment dense. Tous les jours, il faut faire
Quelque chose.
comme ça, il faut avancer les
Ouais,
rénovations, tout ça.
clair.
Maintenant, c'est vraiment tout repeinturé.
Ah ouais?
Il faut repeinturer la maison au complet.
Au complet? Pourquoi?
Yeah. Get that Ricky look fresh. Yeah. Yeah, it look fresh. It look fresh. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It turned 50, but that nigga look 25.
I know, it's 15.
I know.
Oh, 25.
25,
He
yeah.
looks 25.
Yeah, for real though.
Asian, it's Asian.
Whoa, yeah.
His skin is like so perfect. Yeah.
It
Ooh, his
yeah.
skin is so perfect.
Yeah. His hair too, like, he doesn't have white hair at
Oh
all.
my God.
Zero.
Selma, elle aime bien son mari, c'est bien. So I take one of these. Oh, ça me fait de la peine.
And that stuff is actually black.
Yeah, it's like soft.
You don't
Ah,
know
c'est
who's
vrai.
gonna be like that.
Ah,
It's how well,
c'est
it's how
tragique.
well you're taking care of yourself.
Et-
And sometimes people think, oh, but this person party all the time. Well, they like to sleep too. And I'm talking about, yeah, that's the part that you forgot. Yeah.
So,
Sleep, yeah.
Good sleep, oh my God.
oh
Take
no.
everybody like, yeah, good sleep. Yeah.
Yee.
Something that people don't understand.
Moi, c'est vrai.
Yeah.
Toi, tu dors la journée, hein?
Yee.
People don't like to sleep.
It's not that I
She's
don't
afraid
like.
of clowns. Yeah. Let's go play the music. She has to go.
Okay,
No,
okay.
not this one.
But the live wasn't started on this one. But it's the quality, but the other ones have a little activity. That's why I'm torn
Yeah.
apart.
Which ones?
But 20, 31, and this pink one is Facebook.
What the good one?
31.
31? Oh, we can go back. It's okay. People,
Okay.
we're coming back. How long has it been there?
59 and
Oh, 1 hour. Bye. Yeah.
bye.
Yeah.
Bon, ok, les amis, il said bye. He said bye.
Yeah, because this is the
Okay.
quality of the